Hey there! Want to keep your trading game strong and secure with FundedNext? You're in the right spot. In just 2 minutes, we'll run you through 2 things that will have a great impact on your trading journey. VPNs and VPSs. Trading from home, a cafe, or even while traveling can be fun, but it's super important to stay safe and connected. Today, we're answering a big question. Can you use a VPN or VPS with FundedNext? Let's find out, and we promise to keep it simple. FundedNext understands the importance of secure trading. That's why they allow responsible VPN and VPS use. But there are some key things to remember. For VPN users, use paid VPNs. Free VPNs can be risky. FundedNext recommends using a paid service with strong security and clear login practices. Don't change servers frequently. Pick a specific server location and stick to it. Frequent hop-in can trigger security checks. And for VPS users, dedicated domain. A paid VPS with a dedicated IP address is essential. This keeps your trading activity separate from others. No sharing zone. Sharing your VPS connection with others is a big no-no at FundedNext. It can violate their policies and disrupt platform security. Remember, using a VPN or VPS is all about responsible trading. FundedNext guidelines are there to keep your account safe and the platform secure for everybody. For more detailed information, check out FundedNext's frequently asked question link in the description below. So there you have it, traders. Now you can confidently choose your tool for secure and successful trading with FundedNext. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more invaluable trading insights. Until next time, happy trading.